Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. And some days ago I told you about that I will start something for those who can't afford any paid subscription on YouTube. Okay, I will start something. So I have received this, and one more thing I want to tell you that as I told you, I talked to Nimisha ma'am like 1 week before, and she congratulated me. So you asked why she congratulated me. So she gave me congratulations for the work I am doing, like I am telling about you all about the resources and the strategies. So she said I was doing great work for the aspirants, and she gave me a token of appreciation, and in that token of appreciation she sent me these two books. Okay, so this is Perfection Batch book, and next is Vocab Prodigy. And one more thing is that this is not any paid promotion or something. She sent me these two books as a kind gesture because she liked the videos. So, and I am very thankful to her for sending me these books. And one thing more I want to tell you that as I said, it will benefit us all. So I am planning to starting something like we will do 5 questions daily from this perfection book. Okay, and the material in this perfection book is very good because as I study in perfection batch, then so there is no difference between the level of perfection batch and this book's questions, as this book is an alternate of perfection batch. So we will do 5 questions from this book daily. Okay, and in this way I and you all, we all will be benefited, and I am not doing any paid promotion, and just I wanted to help you all, and I could have used it myself also. Okay, but then I thought that many of you can't afford, who are not financially that much strong that they can buy any paid subscription. So, and it will benefit me also, as after teaching you all I will also get benefited. So we will do 5 questions of this book daily, and I will make a Telegram group also if you say, and after doing questions I will send you pic of 5 questions, okay, with answers. You can practice the 5 questions again. So tell me if you want this or not, and I will start it after 2 or 3 days, as right now my health is not that much fine. So I am not feeling well nowadays, like from today morning. So I will start it after I start feeling well. Tell me if you want this series or not. We will do 5 questions daily. Okay, so that is what I wanted to tell you, and the content is very nice, as I also study in perfection batch, so I can tell you this. So tell me if you want it, and we will start this. And again I am telling you, this is not any paid promotion because she sent me these books as a kind gesture. I have not bought them, and I thought that it will, it is a gift, so it should benefit all. So I will start this series. Fine. So tell me in comments if you want the series or not, and I will start it after some time. So thank you and have a nice day. And one more thing is that if we start this series now, it is going to help us a lot because the level of questions is very good. So tell me in comments, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.